12 numbers of professional questions with answers. These tips useful for engineers to improve technical skill and attending interviews. What is meant by project? Project is temporary organization having duration, start date and end date. Project having end date of completion. What is the meaning of planning? Planning is anticipating future and finding alternatives. Planning is assess the future and adapting changes for the work continuation. What is meant by cost? Cost is derived the quantity multiple by price. The costing is useful to arrive project cost. What is resources? Material, manpower, machinery, money and management. These are 5 M's involved in project. What is meant by contract? The term between seller and buyer or contractor and client. It built understanding between parties in the business. What is brief of EOT? Extension of time. The time beyond the contract period. It is extended period of contract due to various reasons. What is meant by DLP? Defect liability period. This period will start after completion of project. During this period, seller has to attend acceptable damages. What is meant by QA QC? Quality assurance and quality control. It helps the deployment of right material in the work and controlling quality of work through lab and field tests. What is she policy of safety? Safety, health and environment. It is the safety procedure involved in the project. What is meant by DPR? Daily Progress Report. The DPR is very much essential to highlight the performance of work from bottom to top level of organization. What is meaning of ISO? International Standard Organization. It is must for the MNC companies to serve worldwide projects. What is CARD policy? Contractor all risk policy. It is the insurance for the project cover manpower, material and third party damages.